The International Court of Justice Jurist of the Year award has been presented to Law Society of Kenya President Faith Odhiambo. She was honored for her pivotal role in advocating for the rights of protesters during the youth-led protests, initiating a case against the then acting Inspector General Gideon Masengeli over the disappearance of 3 individuals and her ongoing fight for the legal rights of Kenyans. Jael Opicho with the details.
In the citation leading to her receiving the prestigious ICJ award, LSK President Faith Odhiambo was praised for her key role in defending the rights of protesters during the nationwide anti-finance bill protest and securing the release of those arrested through pro bono legal services.
I congratulate the judiciary for standing with human rights defenders as well as civil society for calling out arbitrary arrests and abductions, more now important than ever.
She was also recognized for leading the prosecution team that resulted in the acting Inspector General of Police, Gilbert Masengeli, being sanctioned for contempt of court following the disappearance of the Kitengela 3 who were later found. Norwegian Ambassador to Kenya, Ghana Andreas Holm, attending the ceremony, commended Kenya's vibrant democracy, stressing that freedom of expression and civic space must be protected to hold those in power accountable.
Norway has learned that transparency is one of the most powerful tools in combating corruption. So our legislation on Public Information Act is absolutely important in our society today.
In her acceptance speech, Odhiambo thanked Kenyans, ICJ Kenya and Jurist for recognizing her efforts. She dedicated the award to Kenyans for their unwavering fight for human rights and the rule of law.
We must stand firmly by the law and exemplify the values that make us worthy custodians of it. That high calling has been the driving force for the work we have done and successes we have achieved this year. And it is all that which has led to this award today.
We are sharply reminded of the tenacity required to push the bounds of the law in the pursuit of justice when we consider the accomplishments of this year's recipient of the award.
The Jurist of the Year award, established in 1993, is an annual honor recognizing jurists who consistently and fearlessly promote the rule of law and human rights. Opicho Chemtai for Prime Edition.
And the 51st President of the Law Society